Hello everyone. I am currently at my balcony looking out to this amazing pink sky. It's so pretty. I've had quite a busy weekend, so this is my way to unwind. I like to sit here and just go through my thoughts, and I'm like, why not just record it, right? And if you see this mic right here, thank you so much, Sean. You are a lifesaver. A friend of mine actually borrowed me this mic just to see whether or not I like it. And if I really like it, I might just invest in a good one so that we can make more content like this. So actually last Friday, I went and gave a talk to a company wellness program. So we were talking about good stress, bad stress, communication skills, and as I was giving that talk and also preparing for the talk, I realized that we all grow up with different stresses, right? Like when we're in school, it's all about friendship, teachers, homework, and then as we grew up into the workforce, it's about co-workers, bosses, and KPIs, workload. I'm not even including like other kind of stress, like family, relationships, things like that. So it made me realize that taking away stresses are not possible. We have to have stress in order to function, right? Other than being able to identify what are the good stress in your life and also what are some of the bad stresses that you may need to take extra steps in, taking them away or managing them. So I guess other than being able to identify what are some good stress and bad stress, it's also important to increase that belief of I am capable of handling those situations. The self-belief is so important that I don't think people talk about it enough, right? So the self-belief that you are able to handle those situations even though this is your first time doing it is so important, because those are the things that would make you step forward and move forward. And one of the things this year that I have started implementing in my journey is to increase the thoughts of the possibilities. And what does that mean is that other than just thinking like, what if it doesn't work, what if things don't show up the way it should be, what if the results isn't as good as it's supposed to be, I now ask myself, what if it works, right? And as I continue to entertain that thought and that vision of what if things work, I get more excited and I feel more empowered to do this, like do things and like this as well. Like I'm like, what if like people don't really like this? I'm like, oh, that's the worst, right? That's the worst. The worst is I learned that this might not work, but what if it works? What if people like that I talk about things in therapy room? What if people like that I share what I learned in therapy with people? Yeah. So it's getting dark as you can tell. I hope that this tiny thought and this tiny sharing session help you to start the week a little bit better. And I would like to encourage you to entertain the possibilities in your life. And have a good one, everyone. Bye bye.